Let us see how to include millets in diet. I'll tell you how I included millets in my diet. We use different types of millets like Ragi, Bajra, Foxtail, Barnyard, Little Millets and many more. I replaced rice with millets. I started making dishes like Millet Pulao, Millet Pongal, Millet khichdi, lemon millet, curd millet, millet bissibelebath, etc. I also make our traditional dishes like Idli, Dosa, Puttu or Appam by using millets. Millet Upma also tastes great. We can also use millets for making Roti, Chapati, Fulka, etc. We can even make tasty snacks like laddoos, tikki, porridge also with millets. It can be used for baking as well. So start using millets. By incorporating a variety of millets into your diet, you can enjoy their nutritional benefits and add diversity to your meals.